Hi guys, welcome to Pakistani Shoe Factory. Today me and Maham will describe about a handmade leather shoes. Please welcome Maham.
Hi guys, my name is Maham.
So here is Maham and here is the shoe we are going to describe today. You see, it's handmade leather shoes.
And it is comfortable inside.
Yes, it's very comfortable inside. If you see, we have installed a Vibram sheet inside. It will make comfortable your foot. And you see, it's dark brown and chiku color. We can offer you 5 different color.
Brown, green, blue, black and chiku. That's
Yes,
it.
That's 5 colors are available, and we can also make it on customized design. If you want to change anything, we can make for you.
We will do it for you.
Yes.
You will not doing yourself.
Yes, and its backside, you see it's stitching. It's New Year wear.
It will help us.
It will help us to long lasting and make it strong. So you can use this shoes in a years. So no problem at all.
So that's it.
So that is today video. It's done. Thank you very much.
Bye.